Item hash SCP-1038. Object Class Safe. Special Containment Procedures. SCP-1038 is to be kept in a locked storage container within the Site-17 Audio/Visual Department, with keypad combination in possession of Research Director. Due to the nature of the object's effects, O5 level approval has been granted for SCP-1038's non-experimental, recreational use on a weekly basis for all site personnel on Fridays from 1930 to 30 hours, using previously tested content. Description: SCP-1038 is an audiovisual cable measuring 6096 m in length with both ends terminating in 3 standard RCA connector plugs, color-coded for composite video and stereo audio. There are no markings on the connectors or cable to indicate the manufacturer or further specifications of the cable. The cable's properties manifest when it is plugged into a television or monitor and a media player, VCR, DVD, streaming media device, etc. While the device plays the selected content, the television will instead display what can best be described as an alternate reality version. As of 11/23/2011, SCP-1038 has displayed content from distinct realities referred to Addendum 1038-B. For a brief experiment summary, the means by which this effect is generated is unknown, as tests have shown no anomalous power draws from the connected devices, changes in area radiation, or data expunged. SCP-1038 appears to exhibit awareness regarding the information being passed through it. Should the selected content not exist in the alternate reality the cable connects to, SCP-1038 will instead play a closest match of VHS recording of the football game, might instead show a gladiatorial fight. At the same time, the object will also only ever show one alternate version for the particular medium. All DVD copies of the film will play the same alternate, which is in turn different from VHS copies of the movie. It is unknown if this is a sign of intelligence or if the data already exists on the storage media. Addendum 1038-A Recovery Report. SCP-1038 came to the attention of the Foundation after a 10/3/19 incident at Redacted Elementary School in which MS attempted to show a recording of a cable in the classroom documentary to her 4th grade class. The recorded documentary was about the Great Pyramid, but the viewed content was data expunged. During the ensuing arrests, firings, and lawsuits, Foundation agents took custody of the AV equipment used in the incident. Component testing revealed only SCP-1038 showed anomalous properties. Purchase of the cable was not recorded in any district expense reports.